Guys, we bought this little dump car, this little Peugeot 107, which is the same as the C1 and the Toyota Aygo. So we bought this little 1 litre from auction just as a little run around a dump car, and I've been using it now for about 3 or 4 weeks. But it's unbelievable, this car on fuel. Like literally, let me show you something. Right, there's a little car there. Look at this. It has done 138.6 miles and it's only just used 1 bar of fuel, and it cost me £45 to fill it up to the brim. £45. I've already done 138.6 miles and it's used 1 bar of fuel. I wonder how many miles we can do to a tank. What do you reckon? Is it 300 miles? 350 miles? What do you reckon? Put it in the link below. So, just a quick mileage update on the 107. Let me show you. So, we are just over the half a tank and we are 210.1 miles. So, just over half a tank, 210 miles. What do you reckon? Are we still saying 430, 450? Or are we saying 390? What do you reckon? Right, just another little update on our fuel consumption 107 that we've been doing. Let's have a look, see where we're at the minute. So, we are 306.8 miles, and would you say that's half a tank, or would you say just under half a tank? Yeah, so we're at 306.8. Let's see if we can get that to 400. It's going to be a stretch, but we'll see what we can do. Right guys, time for an update on the Peugeot 107 mileage for what we can get out of a full tank of fuel. We put £45 in and we are now down to 1/4 of a tank. So let's see what mileage we are on now. Right, so we are 1/4 of a tank and we are at 374.3 miles. So some of you in the comments were guessing 400 odd miles to a tank, to £45 to be precise. Some people said they own these cars and they normally get between about 430. Someone did put in the comments 450. I'm not sure it's going to be quite that high. We are only going to run it down till there is no bars of fuel left, because I did think to myself maybe we could run this right out, carry a can of fuel in there, but in the interests of obviously conking out on a busy main road or something, it wouldn't be worth doing. So we're going to wait till all the bars are missing, and then we are going to record exactly how many miles to £45 full tank we got. Put a link, put a comment in the section below and see what you think to the mile what we're going to get out of this. So we are currently at 374.3, 1/4 of a tank left. Let me know below. Right guys, have I spoke too soon on the mileage on the 107? We had a 1/4 of a tank at about 370 miles. Now look. Oh, we got a flashing bar and we're at 381.4 miles. What do you reckon, guys? What are we going to get to? Don't forget, put it in the comments below. Catch you in a minute. Alright, well the car has just run out of fuel. And I can see Tesco's and we are out. Am I going to make it? I don't think I am. No, I'm not going to make it. Look at this. Right, and we are pushing the car. Wow, don't really want to do this again. Right, what did we get to? 424.6 miles pushed.